Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Sister Imanja Gajai, but thank you very much. Now, I want to call Mashambanzo. So just a small story behind Mashambanzo. It's a care trust in Waterfalls, and most of these children are from Mbare. And some of them are orphaned, or some of them come from, they are vulnerable children. And they are ECD, and they're here to perform for us. So if their performance moves you, you're very much allowed to donate. Their director is here, their teachers are here, towards them having a better future. They attend the school for free, by the way, and Vana Vanofarama Arts. Remember, we are celebrating the International Day of the African Child.